I've been seeing this challenge on TikTok, where you have to draw an X in a box without removing your pen. You should quickly find that this challenge is impossible. But let's try and come up with some intuition for why that's true. If we define each one of the corners as a point, we're going to have three types of points: a starting point, an ending point, and a passing point. It should be obvious that a passing point has an even number of edges. And if the start and ending points are different, then they should each have an odd number of edges. Now, if the start and the end point are the same, they'll have an even number of edges too. But let's take a look at the drawing we have here. We have 4 separate points, each of them with an odd number of edges. And that's simply impossible. In the best case, one of them can be starting, one of them can be ending, but the other 2 have to be passing edges. And so they must possess an even number of edges. And although that may seem wishy-washy, we've actually proven that this is impossible now. Since this is a relatively simple drawing, you could also prove it by exhaustion. But this is much more elegant. If you take an Introduction to Graph Theory course, this is normally the first problem you're taught.